Before we get going, I do want to tell you this. I am not an organized person by any means, so when we get going on our classroom adventure, it's going to be real. Hello, art teachers. My name is Abby Schukei. I have been teaching art since 2012, so over 10 years now, and I currently teach 7th and 8th graders. I'm going to go ahead and show you some of the things that we're doing, just give you hopefully some tips and tricks along the way. I know the color wheel is not super interesting, but holy smokes, kids need to know how to mix colors. This is from Flex Curriculum that just really allows students to dive into the color wheel, creating tints and shades and all of that. So the basic setup that I do for this is I have little bags of paint that are stored over by the sink. And when students come in for their class period, they take their bag. They use, for right now, we are just using a plate and baggie system. And all of these things, except for these bags, are stored in their bin for students to pull out and use. I have bigger containers of paint that we'll use for different things, but with color mixing, these tubes are my favorite things to use just because they're smaller. It encourages students to use just a little bit. And I think it's so important for students to understand warm and cool color bias. So there's a warm color red and a cool color red. We are going to be diving into some more guided painting activities before we dive into acrylic paint techniques and you just really get to let loose. Don't forget to subscribe to the Art of Education University on YouTube and follow them on all of their social media platforms because there's always something really awesome to learn. So thank you so much for coming along with me today, and I hope you all have a great day.